What is going on? Today's video is brought to you by Manscaped.com, the premium brand for men's hygiene and grooming products. Now, if you've been watching my channel for a long time, you know I'm a big fan of Manscaped and their Perfect Package Kit, the all-in-one grooming tools and formulations for the modern man. Now, with feedback from millions across the globe, Manscaped engineered the next generation of groin and body trimmers. Manscaped just launched the Lawnmower 4.0. This is the 4th generation, so let's see what's new. Look at that packaging. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. It's a whole new balls game. Let's pop her out of here. I feel like it's Christmas. That is the sleekest design. How do you think I stay so clean and fresh? Come on now. Manscaped. Waterproof, cordless trimmer. You can't beat it. The Lawnmower 4.0 trimmer has these advanced ceramic blades that help to reduce nicks, cuts, and can be easily replaced with a fresh blade so you can groom with confidence. It's so nice and smooth. I've never shaved my arm before. Now remember, this is cordless and waterproof, so you can shave in the shower. Super convenient because it's super easy to clean up. Waterproof. And just like that, you're charging. I love this, and you can get up to 90 minutes. You heard it here, 90 minutes on a full charge. The upgraded Lawnmower 4.0 now includes a multi-function on and off switch that can engage a new travel lock feature. When the trimmer is off, click the on button 3 times fast and the LED indicator will show you it's locked for a safe travel. With this feature, you don't even have to worry about the buzz going off in your suitcase or draining your battery. The 4.0 actually allows you to also customize to your preferred hair length with the 4 trimmer guard option. What do you think? Yeah! Join the other 2 million men that love Manscaped. This stuff does not even compare to all the other products that you cut yourself with. It feels amazing, and it's the right tool for your family jewels. Get 20% off plus free international shipping instantly at manscaped.com/Paul. Your balls will thank you. It has been like a zombie apocalypse out here lately, and what I mean by that, I've had to board up half the dang fence. Look at this. I literally drilled in wood like a wall. The pigs kept pulling this up and then getting out. 3 mornings in a row, I woke up to the pigs on my security camera and the motion detectors and everything going off. Beep, 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 beep. I was like, look at my phone. Yep, pigs are just roaming around the yard. Thankfully, we keep the main gate closed and then they just kind of stay in the yard. I had to barricade it like it was the zombie apocalypse. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. I haven't posted in a couple days, and that's for a couple different reasons. One, because obviously the house we just bought, it's been a lot of work figuring out the whole plan on that. I'm super excited because it opens a lot of doors for me, lots of content for the channel, for the vlog channel and this channel. If you're not subscribed to the vlog channel, you can do that down below. But yeah, I have so much content in mind for that. So I know I've been taking a couple days off because I usually post every other day. Don't worry, Cuffaros, we're back. Well, probably not yet. Still got a lot more to do. Buying a house is a process, let alone owning a farm like this, making videos on this channel, and trying to get the house solved. It's just a lot of work, and I don't want to burn myself out, so I'm taking my time. Do everything right the first time, you never got to go back and deal with it. All right. Ow. Oh. That was the first fail I've ever had. My hand went like that. See the turtle? Yeah. Chowing down on some pellets. All right, we're not gonna fail this one. There we go. Woo! Ooh, it's little baby Oscar. Emmy, what's up, everyone? Eat up. Everyone's eating. Still got to do something with these stumps, and we also got another tire. Shout out to my boy Logan for dropping that off. My friends find all this stuff on like the side of the road, like the slide and tires and all that stuff. They just drop them off at the house. They're like, here you go. Here you go, piggies. Here's you. Mango's coming out. There you go. Cheers, buddy. Got the water bowls filling up as we speak because it is hot today. Let's see. Siri, what is the temperature out? Don't make me sit here any longer.
1 moment.
Really? Jeez.
Still working.
That ain't that hard of a question. Yeah, I know.
The high temperature for today will be 91 degrees.
Yeah.
And the low will be 72.
I wish it was 72. Feels like 105 probably. This is exactly why. Look at that guy. Big old iguana. There's another Jesus lizard here. The Jesus lizards don't really do anything, but the iguanas, there's a lot of them, and that's his baby one. That's a smaller one. They live on this long canal that I live on, because behind my house is a whole canal, and the other side is too. They are the exact reason why I've never had any ducks hatch. They eat all the duck eggs. I've never had any chickens live past that stage if they're not in a cage, because they eat them. Like a mom chicken will have, like, you know, we've had babies in the past, they all get eaten by the iguanas. And yes, I could lock the chickens away, but I don't want to take them away from their mom. So yeah, iguanas, they're invasive for a reason. Those things are just a nuisance out here. In Florida, it's crazy. They're everywhere, all over the banks, and they eat pretty much everything. They're cool looking, but they also eat everything that's native to the state, which is not good. Mama duck has a lot of trust in her little ducklings now. By the way, yes, that's one of the ducklings we saved from Shiner Sam's. Look how big it is. Hey, little buddy. It's a little early to tell, but it looks like we have, these guys might be males, so we might have 2 males right there. That I'm almost 100% sure is a male. And then this is most definitely a female right here. Look at her, she's so pretty. But yeah, they got so big, it's insane. I mentioned it last video, but if you guys did not watch last video, I'm doing another meet and... That was a fly in my eye. Meet and greet. Haven't done one in about 3 years since Monster Fish Bash, and I highly encourage anyone that ever has wanted to meet or hang out, talk, get pictures, whatever with me, that or just see the event in itself. It's gonna be awesome. Aquashella 2021, June 12th and the 13th. I will be there. I'm gonna have my own booth selling merch, you know, PC Pokemon packs, you name it, it'll be there at my booth. Go check out the tickets, top link in the description. Get them while you can, especially this early, because they're cheap. Get them, get them, get them. Whee! After the waters, we will go over there, feed the rest of the pigs. Hey! Whee! Come on, you two lunatics. Whee! Alrighty. I had to spray my head with the cold hose because it was getting so hot. All the animals have fresh water, food. Y'all know the gist of it. We gotta make sure that's done every single day. Now, I'm gonna get ready to go to the fish store. I gotta go to Andy's place. Andy called me yesterday and said, hey, I got some cool stuff for you. So he wants to show me a couple things, I guess. We're gonna go there. We also have some other things to do at the new house today. Life's all over the place right now. Bear with me, but today's gonna be a fun day. We are here at the aquarium shop, and I was just here yesterday, but I just didn't film it. Andy's got some stuff for us, I guess. Here we are. Love this place. Sirens. Let's get it. Well, maybe that's why he told me to come. Wow. Oh my gosh. I think he literally got an entire store refill. I'm not even kidding. Like, what is that? There's some really pretty fish in here right now. Tommy!
What's up, Paul?
What's up, Tommy?
What are you doing here?
I'm just looking around. Got some starfish. What else we got in here? Warning, venomous. Oh, I like that. Can't really see it, but it's an urchin. There it is. These are all like invertebrates, I think. Yeah, they are. All invertebrates. Look at them. Massive. It's the size of my hand. You don't want to step on that. It's like I get pricked by it and it's the venomous one. Look at the colors, man. Holy moly. So yeah, this is exactly why Andy said come on in and hang out. He got a new shipment. He's working right over there. I'm not going to bother him, but this is cool. I love to come to the shop, especially when... What the heck? Looks like a anteater, but a fish. Some sort of cleaner wrasse. I don't know what the heck that is. I don't know. Tommy's here too. Tommy, you on the job right now?
Not currently. What do you want to see?
Well, I like these big colonies, like that big guy in the back.
That gold tip elegance?
Could I have that in my tank?
You could have an elegance in your tank. So elegances get big.
Yeah.
Like really big. In a few months, well maintained, that should double or triple in size.
Holy moly.
They're very aggressive. They'll sting other corals that are around them. They can sometimes
Do I
eat
have
fish.
something similar to that at the bottom of the tank?
You do.
Yeah, it looks similar. That's a really cool one.
You should take that one home.
This one? In the sand? We'll get that one. Tommy said get it, we're gonna get it. And then put it in the sand, which is easy, so I don't have to glue anything.
Yeah.
Cool. Any other sand ones that look cool that we should get? Tommy's like free shopping right now.
You can't go wrong with a red Sinorina.
This guy?
Mm-hmm.
Say the craziest coral in here, the name. What has the craziest name? I just want to play the minion clip. Look at some of the colonies Andy has in right now. Look at that.
Yeah, right there.
That red one?
That red one. You have that one in your tank.
I
How's
do.
it doing?
Yeah, it's doing good.
That's the Stylosoanelia.
Stylosoanelia. What?
Stylocanelia, Stylosoanelia.
Oh God, roll the clip. I literally made him say that, and it just because I wanted to see the meme. Well, thanks for your time, Tommy.
Yeah.
Knuckles.
Good to see you, Paul.
Good to see you. So I got 2 corals because Tommy said they would go good in the sand, so why not? I love this place. Look at this. We are bagging up the corals right now. Hopefully the lighting's good when I flip the camera. Once we bag up these corals, we're gonna head out. Quick little trip to the aquarium shop. Look how cool this clown is. That is beautiful. Wow. What kind of clownfish is that? That white and black one?
That's a storm.
Black storm. Cool. Well, there you go. Now we both know. If you didn't know. Bubbly little guy. Woohoo! And right into the bag we go. Just like that. 2 corals. Checking out, and we'll be back in the truck. I got the dogs here. We're gonna take a quick stop at the dog park. As you can see, there's dogs. Hello, buddies. What's going on? So these 2 little fellas, my girlfriend's dogs, are gonna have some fun real quick. And there they are, just booking it around. Just let your kids roam. They're in heaven right now. All right, see you at home. We're back home at the farm, and we need to put the corals into the sand. Oh, it's like purple in here all the time. Simple as this. I'm gonna pop this off. Look for a spot, so I'm definitely gonna put one right there on the sand, and probably one in this corner over here. There's one of them, and there is the other. Just like that, in the sand, good to go. All the other corals are doing very, very, very good, as you can tell. Glass is a little dirty. My snails aren't really doing too much work. What the heck's going on here, huh? This one looks beautiful. We got the corals for the saltwater tank. Now I'm gonna send you to the house, the new house, where I explain a little bit of new news. Fish house news. We're at the new house. Home sweet home. Boys and girls, this is going to be our place soon. This is so exciting. So much to move into, so much to do renovation-wise. Again, all the demolition, knocking walls down, making this house the way we want it is gonna be on the vlog channel, so make sure to go subscribe to the vlog channel. I've said it once before, go subscribe to the vlog channel so you don't miss that, but yeah, this is gonna be like fully redone. I made the decision, business-wise, that it's smarter for me, as of this property, to not rent it out. My next one, yes, we'll rent that out. We'll make passive income on that. Listen, I'm not gonna get too much into talking about this stuff again. If you wanna watch the other video, you can watch this. I talk all about my brain side of real estate. But I made the decision for myself, whether my parents even end up going to the farmhouse or not, I wanna own both of these and make videos at both of these houses. Business-wise, makes more sense to have fun, make a bunch of content here, instead of getting rid of it and having someone else pay the bill. Why not just put more bills on my plate? That's the best part. No, but I made this decision strictly for the fact that I want to create a bunch of really, really great content, fun content for this channel and my vlog channel. I see a lot of potential in this, so your boy's a risk taker. We're gonna do it. Just look at this shed. Let's just put that this way. This right here, immaculate. I can't wait to do this. This is gonna be the fish room. Like, we're literally gonna make this an entire fish room. Picture it. We'll have an AC unit in there, you know, to keep it nice and cool. Open this up. This is going to be a massive pond. It's gonna be a pond right there. There. All right, Paul, do a little bit of art here. Welcome to PC Art. The red is the pond structure, the blue is the water, the black is the shelf for the filter, that's white, to sit on top. So now that you get the idea on what it's gonna look like, we'll have a little cool pond over here. Oh my gosh, there's a ghost. What if this house is haunted? For real though, and then this side will be completely tanks, so just tanks all along this right here. Pretty much a lot of the tanks from the house, the farmhouse. Again, nothing's changing, you won't even notice a difference. I'll just be hopping back and forth to both houses. I think it'll be fun. I think it's great. I'm excited. This is just so dope. Like, be ready when you see this in a thumbnail and it says fish room or something, click it, because those videos are going to be absolutely insane. And then it's looking a little cloudy. Please, Jesus, rain on us, because my grass needs it. Oh yes, it does. Look at that. It's like prickly walking on it. Ow, ow. Anyway, lots of land over here. The RV's gone. The previous owner took it, so now we have all this land too. A lot of land. Like, this is a lot of land, especially for this location. It's about 2 minutes and 50 seconds from the beach. I timed myself. Anyway, that's enough of that. I just wanted to tell you guys that project. It's gonna be really fun. I'm excited. That AC unit's loud. Let alone all the cool stuff that we're gonna be doing in here. So much living space. It's crazy. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel and you won't miss a single thing. Hey. Oh, there's my old lady neighbor. I gotta bring her a bouquet of flowers or something. Hey. Okay, she just, well, I don't think she saw me, I'll be honest. All right, I just got done introducing myself to the neighbor across the street. She is beyond nice. I introduced myself, explained who I was, and I told her what we do. If you see me holding a camera, don't think I'm zooming in or anything, you know? And she was like, as long as you don't have any snakes, we're good. And I was like, don't worry, I don't have any reptiles. So, good connection to the neighbors, which is big. I'm glad I went up and introduced myself. And yes, I kept my distance. That is all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way up to this point especially. I promise you, I got some cooler things in the works here coming up very shortly. You just saw. Smash that like button. Let's see if we can hit 20,000 likes on this video. Subscribe down below with the notifications on so you don't miss out on any videos. Vlog channel, meet and greet tickets, that's all down below. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.